As part of organizing this the summit, we have different representation that will be taking part in the Africities conference, not really having a slot, but then we have consolidated our voices within the other CSOs so that we present our issues. We don't have unique needs. We are demanding for human rights for all, and that is why we have come and joined other CSOs to amplify the voice of all the youth in all their diversities. Because the county government of Kisumu actually fosters human rights for all, ensures that everybody enjoys the highest attainable standard of human rights in the county, and that is a relationship that we continue to foster and ensure that everybody is brought on board and nobody is left behind because of one or two issues of identity and issue, and because someone is different here. So we have a cordial working relationship with the county government of Kisumu.